Sadhna, today I want to tell you a story about a time when I was in Rishikesh. I was there for a yoga festival and there were thousands of people for that festival. And for all of us yogis, there's this restaurant called Tip Top. Those of you who've been to Rishikesh near Paramath Niketan Ashram will be aware of this restaurant called Tip Top. And it had a really funny seating where, we sit in this round circle and most of us order this ginger lemon tea, and that's what I used to do every evening. One particular evening, I reached there and where I sat, I saw on my left, there was this really stunning girl, and she was really beautiful. She looked like as if she had just stepped out of the Vogue magazine. So I looked at her and I said, Satnam, I said, you are really beautiful. And then from the left, one man looked at me and said, yes, she is my wife. I said, oh, congratulations. And we became the best of friends. Me, this girl, her husband. She was from Prague, from the Czech Republic. And those of you who are aware of Czech women know what I'm talking about. And we used to have breakfast together, lunch together, dinner together. And we were together for like 3 days later. After 3 days, we were sitting at the same restaurant, Tip Top. And there was this lady who walked in. And she was wearing white, and she had wearing this white turban, which meant obviously that she was from Kundalini Yoga, because all the people who were wearing white in Rishikesh were there for the Kundalini class, and very obvious. So I just went up to her and said, Satnam, I'm a friendly guy, okay? I'm not hitting on women here, so don't get me wrong. I just like interesting people, and I'm attracted to knowing more about them. So I just went up to her and said, Satnam, Kundalini Yoga? She said, yes. I said, oh, I'm here for the teacher's training course, and we're now doing the festival here, and I've been here for 40 days. Good to meet you. And so we were talking, and I said, oh, by the way, I met Gurudev today, and Gurudev is world #1 in Kundalini. He's no more with us, but at that time he was world #1. He was like the god of Kundalini Yoga. So I'm telling this lady, I said, I met Gurudev today. She said, really? I said, yeah. I took up my phone and I showed her the photo of, like a selfie of me and Gurudev together. She said, wow. I said, yeah. And he taught us for 2 hours. I said, oh. I said, he's coming tomorrow also. She said, I know. He's my father. I said, oh shit. And that's how I got to know her, and I realized that she's Kahita. She was Gurudev's daughter. And we had this, we chatted about Kundalini, that they were doing the Satnam Rasayan and all of that. We chatted about that. And then I went back to my place next to this Vogue magazine, Czech Republic girl. And, we started talking again. And then suddenly, something struck me, why I'm making this video. Suddenly I realized that here was this classic beauty as what we've been trained, like what we see in magazines, what we see in, on all the hoardings around us for all these, selling us all these fairness creams and these, all kinds of cosmetics and lipsticks and what we think of as beauty basically. And then there was this Kundalini Yoga lady, Kahita, and this one was magnetic. This one was so powerful that you couldn't stop looking at her. And there was such a big difference between the two. I can't even describe it. It was like, that's the day, for the first time in my life, I realized that cosmetic beauty is nice. Cosmetic beauty is nice. It's appreciable. It's good to value that, and it's good to acknowledge it. But radiance, glow, aura, that's something far beyond beauty, and it's much more alluring. It's much more attractive. What I started teaching then, when I became a teacher later on, I focus only on the aura. I don't do anything else. My work is related to healing the chakras, and eventually what the chakras do, when you start opening up your chakras, is your aura opens up. Now those of you who don't know the word aura, you can have all kinds of colors. Your aura can be of different colors. It can be blue, it can be red, it can be yellow, it can be green, it can be black, it can be white. What is the color of your aura? Then there is the strength of your aura. What is the strength of the magnetic field of your aura? Sri Aurobindo was known to have an aura which was so big, so powerful, so magnetic that you could feel him. His students could feel him even if he was 1 kilometer away. That's the meaning of the strength of the aura. Starting on the 20th of this month, 20th of July, we're starting a new course, a 7-day course called the Radiant Aura. We've been doing this course called Transform for the last 12 months. This is the 13th month. This will be Transform number 13th. Why I'm making this video, especially for this aura, workshop, is because it's a really important workshop for people to understand that no matter what your age, you could be 65, you could be 70, you could be 15, at any age, what aura you have is what makes you look beautiful. It's not the Botox, it's not the limited edition clothes that you wear, it's not your Hermes bag, it's not your YSL, it's not Louis Vuitton. That does not make you attractive. What it gets you is when you go to a party, they say, oh, nice bag, so pretty you're looking. And as soon as you turn, they say, bitch. You don't want that. We want to be attractive because we want to be attractive. We want to be genuinely liked. Most of us want to be liked. A common human trait is that human beings want to be liked. You want to be liked for your aura. You don't want to be liked because you shopped, in Paris. So starting on the 20th of July, we're doing this course. It's a 7-day course, and the details are below this video in the details. If you wish to join, if you want to know more about the aura and what makes the aura strong, what makes the aura beautiful, what gives you the color of your aura, please join this course. You will love it. Looking forward to seeing you all. Satnam.